Hi Paul, sorry to hear about the problem with your tumble dryer. Model number DRCS68W. If the light's coming on inside the machine, then you've most probably got a problem with either the on-off button, because it's got a live and neutral going in and coming out. You may have a problem with this, or you may also have a problem with the plastic fittings underneath the start button. Sometimes these can break. So what I've done for you is I've created this FAQ page. The link's in the description below. I'm sorry I can't help you from the workshop, but I'm traveling over to Berlin to the IFA trade show. It's the domestic appliance trade show. So I'm actually having to work from my camper at the moment while I'm traveling. But what I've done for you is managed to get the workshop manual, wiring diagram, and also the schematics of the machine to show you all the components. Just looking down here, there is a complete check system in the workshop manual to go through the procedure of checking all the components. And also, if you look at the exploded diagram of the top panel assembly, you want to be looking at 1268 by the look of it, and also 180, which is the on-off button. Both of these items, you'll have to take the lid off, and then you'll be able to gain access to these from behind. I'll leave you with a little bit more about this page I've created for you, and this should assist you in using the actual page. Links in the description below. Have a good day, mate. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.